In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add links and hyperlinks to your LinkedIn posts, so you can link blog articles, YouTube videos, websites, and even tag LinkedIn profiles or company pages. It's very simple, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. Adding a link to a post. Begin by clicking Start a Post on LinkedIn. If you want to share a YouTube video or blog link, simply paste the link into the post. LinkedIn will automatically generate a preview. If you don't want the preview to appear, click the X on the thumbnail to remove it. LinkedIn will also automatically shorten your link once you post it. You won't see the shortened version in the editor, but once it's published, LinkedIn formats it for a cleaner look. Adding hyperlinks to profiles or pages. Tagging. You can also tag people or company pages in your post to make them clickable. Here's how. Type the @ symbol. Start typing the person's name or the page name. Select the correct profile or page from the list that appears. This is great for mentions, collaborations, or call to actions like "Follow me at your name" for more tips. You can tag creators, brands, or companies the same way, for example, @LinkedIn or @ConvertKit. And that's it. You now know how to add links with or without preview, tag people and company pages. Make your LinkedIn posts more interactive and clickable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.